Back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to delete Temu order history. Temu doesn't let you fully delete order history, but you can delete your browsing or viewed items history. Firstly, open the Temu app on your device. Tap the U tab on the bottom right, then scroll and select browsing history. You will see all the items you viewed. Just tap edit and then select the items you want to remove. Tap delete to clear your browsing history. And if you're on iPhone, it's the same steps, but on the browser go to temu.com and log into your account. Click your profile icon and open browsing history. Click remove or delete next to each item or select multiple. Just know that you cannot delete actual order history from Temu, only browsing viewed items can be cleared. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.